So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the satellite map view here on apartments.com. So once apartments.com's opened up, I want you to go ahead and select your location. So I will just use Toronto as this example. Now, once you're here, you actually do have the default map. Now, if you want to change that, go to the top left here to where it says options, press on that. Then where it says map options, you can go ahead and change this from default to satellite. So if you want more of like a different perspective or a satellite view of the area, you can go ahead and press on satellite right here. And this way, you can go ahead and check out the map from a satellite point of view. And if you want to change it back to default, you can do it the exact same way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to use or how to, I guess, switch from default to satellites or how to use satellite map view on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.